But when a nation or community that possess or fight for their right becomes an enemy to the state, worthy of being killed. And now Boro people are no exception. Since 1986, many Boro people were killed cold-blooded. Many Boro are brutally killed in the false encounter. And numbers of fighters and innocent civilians are still missing. There is no love and affection of so-called non-violence even in this land of Mahatma Gandhi. जेब्लानो मोनसे हारिया एबा सुबुंफ्रा गावनि मोनथायनि थाखाय होज्रिखाव दाबि दावा खालामो आरो जुजियो अब्लानो बै हारिया एबा सुबुंफ्रा हादोरनि एबा सोरखारनि थाखाय सुथुर जायो बुथार जायो गावथार जायो दिनै बर'फोरखौबो गावनि मोनथायनि थाखाय होज्रिखावनाय आरो जुजिनायनि थाखायनो जुनादफोर बायदि गावथारदों बुख्रुबदों हमदों आरो जेलाव दोनदों बेनिखायनो बे बुहुमाव अन्नाय एबा अहिंसा एबा नन भायलेन्स होनना जेबो गैया सम आरो थासारिया जेरै थिनो जों बेबायदिनो दावगानांगोन बेबायदिनो जों जुजिनांगोन आरो थांनानै थानो नाजानो नांगोन जोंहा दिनै जारिमिन दंना गैया बेखौ लानानै सानबाय थानायनि सम गैया जोंहा राव हारिमु दं राव हारिमुखौ लानानै जोंनि सिनायथिखौ लानानै बुहुमनि बिखायाव हारि बायदियै गावनि हायाव गावनि सिमानि गेजेराव थांनानै थानो मोन्थाय दं बेनिखायनो जों नांनांगोन जुजिनांगोन
So finally, the third Boro Accord. Are you satisfied with the accord?
We have been fighting for our land, for our identity, for our people for the last 34 years. And at the same time, we have been waiting for this historic moment or an agreement. Today, it has become possible because of the Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, and Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. An agreement has been met. We have signed in an agreement, and we hope that this agreement will usher in a new era, an era of peace, harmony, and development.
So we have seen that people are struggling to accept this fact that Boro people are always united. And as you have struggled this long by staying, even if the peace accord will not satisfy other people. So what do you say? This peace accord will satisfy other groups also?
We the Boro people are not fighting against any community, against any creed, against any religion. We have been fighting for only our own rights, legitimate rights, for a land where we can live with honor, where we can live with our own identity, culture and tradition, and in a homeland. So we are not against any caste, community, or creeds. So the others people should not be afraid of us, afraid of our struggle.
So what will be the next step again?
It will be decided by our party and by you and all the people. Okay, thank you.